What are some of the first things you do when you drive a Jeep or any new car home? You remove all the car lot stickers, license plate frames, and license plates.
Oh, and see this car lot sticker on the back of the car? No, you don't. If you have one on there, take it off.
And of course, if you have something like this huge car lot advertisement, replace it. The next first thing I do is tint the windows to match and add a windshield strip. Let's see how it looks. You know what this means.
20% in the back doors and all the way around the back, then 5% in the front, and it all matches. A 5% strip on the top of the windshield, and there you go.
Of course, we need a phone mount, so we'll install that too. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. We'll do some more Jeep mods, motorcycle mods, some karate stuff, and we'll take some trips to some scenic Kentucky landmarks.